This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Calgary, Alberta is famous for the Calgary Stampede. Now Calgary, Alberta is also famous for ginger beef. So in Calgary, Alberta, the first ginger beef was invented in 1975. So today I'm making an original ginger beef recipe. It's going to be tasty and delicious. So let's get started! So this is a piece of flank steak. So you cut the steak against the grain. So you can use other kinds of meat, but the original recipe for ginger beef, they use flank steak. There's just under a pound of flank steak here. The recipe calls for 1 pound, but it's almost a pound. To make the batter, you need 1 cup of cornstarch. Add 1/4 cup of water. Add 2 eggs and mix thoroughly. Make sure the cooking oil is nice and hot. The beef will cook very quickly, in a minute to a minute and a half. Cook in small batches so the beef won't stick together. Remove the beef onto paper towels to soak up the oil. So these are the veggies that you need for your stir fry. So you have 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, 1 carrot, and 3 stalks of green onions. So you cut all the veggies into thin strips. So first you preheat the wok at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. So I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons of chopped ginger and chopped garlic. So I'm going to put in the carrots first. Next add the red peppers and the green pepper. So I turned the heat on to high now. You want to get a little sear on your veggies. I add about 1 cup of water. So now I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. So add about 3 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Put 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You can add more sugar if you like. Some people like their sauce a little bit sweeter. So add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Sauce is coming to a boil, so I'm going to put the cornstarch solution in there. So that's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/4 cup of water. So you might not need all the cornstarch, or you might even need more, because each piece of beef will be smothered in the sauce. So this is the original recipe from Calgary, Alberta, famous for the Calgary Stampede and ginger beef. I'm going to add the green onions right now. So we're ready to serve the ginger beef. Oh, nice color there. Really brings it up. There you have it. The original ginger beef from Calgary, Alberta. Enjoy. So Calgary, Alberta is where the... This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Calgary, Alberta is where the So today I have an original recipe for ginger beef. So let's get started. Ay, 好香口呀！
Yeah, I tell you.